Hey guys, it's Nikki and welcome to this week's new release video. I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for the light. I can see the shadows. Hopefully I can fix it a little bit once I get in to edit this. I'm filming this in the office instead of in the kitchen because Mike is currently in the kitchen foiling the subscription bundles. Anyway, but for this week I have got two new collections, and then I also have here the reveal for October foil bundle. Those will be available, like signups will be available once this video is up. Everything else should be up around noon Eastern Standard Time. And then I also wanted to mention that I do have another round of Oops bags going up. Those are buy one get one free, and I've got another, I believe, almost 200. We counted really low on those. The rest of them, if you ordered just the Oops bags, will be shipping out this afternoon. If you ordered the Oops bags plus new releases last week, we are still working on those. And then the September bundles will be shipping on Monday, I believe, because yeah, the 6th is on a Sunday. They normally They normally ship on the 6th, but since that falls on a Sunday, they will be shipping on Monday the 7th. What else? I think that's it. So I'm going to show the new bundle at the very end in case you don't want that spoiled for you. I will show a sneak on Instagram and in the Facebook group if you'd rather see that. And then I have got two new releases here. We do have a Facebook coupon this week this weekend, I should say, for the Facebook group. So if you're not a part of that, I do keep it linked down below. We do a 25% off coupon like once a month. I try to for the Facebook group. So these will be part of that. And then let me think, what else? I think that's it. I'll go over pricing and everything for the bundles once I get to it. And then I'm gonna scoot you guys up a bit because I think maybe the lighting might be a bit better if I do that. I've got a window over here to my right. Also, tomorrow we are going to be moving the office over to Mom's. I am gonna vlog that. We were gonna do it on Tuesday, but I need to do it this weekend so that I don't have to take Tuesday off to do that. So I don't know when that vlog will go up. It'll probably be Thursday, maybe Friday, maybe the weekend, because it will take me a minute to edit that. Anyway, okay, so let's get started. So I've got two new collections, like I said. The first one is called Autumn. I wanted to do one more fall kit. I did poll the Facebook group. I've been wanting to use this artwork, and that's kind of the reason I went ahead and did this, because I am obsessed. And then I have got one winter/Christmas collection. It's that time. I feel like it's really early, but since shops are coming out with Christmas artwork, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So we've got one of those, one of these, and then like I said, the Facebook group coupon will happen this week. I need to put other stuff back up into the shop. I just haven't sat down and done that yet. I think I'm gonna wait until we get a little bit more caught up. We are good now. Processing times are back down to 1 to 2 weeks. But I'd like to get a little bit more caught up, at least get through the subscriptions for September and then get the current orders out. And then we will add back in like scripts and icons and all that other like foiled stuff that is normally there. So let's get started with Autumn. Sorry for the longest intro ever. So like I said, I am obsessed. So this kit is pumpkins and sunflowers and this white wood, and I'm just in love with it. There is foiling in every single box, I believe. Yes. So up here, don't do this to me, camera. There we go. Up here, we have got the foiling within the pumpkin here, this leaf. We've got this sunflower. There is some foiling up here within that. Pumpkin, you've got your quote box, which says, "Hello Autumn," an acorn, and then some foiling within this basket, this tree stump, and these acorns down here with this really pretty branch. I am in love. Also, I did not mention we do have a new kit format. This started last week. Am I crooked? That's gonna drive me insane. We started that last week, but I did not film a video, so I wanna go over that. September bundle does not have that new format, but you guys will see the October bundle has been updated to this, and I hope you guys love it. I am completely obsessed with it. So this first sheet did not change at all, your full box sheet. Also, what I have here are the just regular kits. These will all have the option for the Ombre Heart Checklist add-on. So your next sheet, this is where the big reformat happens. So your next sheet here has got boxes. You've got these just fun little functional deco. You've got your bow checklist, ombre bow checklist, your kind of like scallop dividers or banners, I guess I should say, and then your appointment labels down here. So these are going to be changing throughout the kits. You guys will see that. So for this particular kit, these boxes do all stay the same. So we've got the bows still, as well as the bow confetti, but then I've been just kind of changing stuff out as far as these boxes. So because this is a fall kit and it's a floral kit as well, we've got some leaves up here, and then we've got the flowers right here. So that's been changing. And then down here, these have been changing somewhat. It depends on the kit. So for these, we are doing the florals since there is a lot of floral in this kit. And then you have got your functional deco, which I really love, just having all of these shapes. That was an update I've been wanting to do because I know a lot of people really loved these that were on the last page of the kits. Added in some circles, some arrows, some hexagons, I believe, and then some hearts. And then you have got, like I said, these updated down here. In certain other kits they have changed. I don't have one next to me, but like in the Halloween kit as well, or maybe I believe it was in the Halloween kit as well as in Jack and Sally, these were spider webs. So I'm going to be just kind of changing those as necessary. And then down here you've got your appointment labels and then your boxes, so that's not a big change. Basically the change was I switched up some of these boxes, added in this functional, and then I'm going to be changing the foiling in these boxes as well as the foiling down here. So your next sheet, this is another change. I asked in the Facebook group and everybody said that they were fine with this. I think there was maybe 1 or 2 votes that weren't, but majority said that this was okay, and I actually really like how this looks. I may update again though and do a couple of rows of the bows. The problem with that is that's where the majority of our OOP sheets are coming from. I've got a sheet right here of what this used to look like. See, these are messed up, but these bows here, I do love them, but they are so difficult to get perfect as far as the foiling goes. So I wanted to switch over to this falling bow confetti, which actually once laid down I think looks really, really pretty. So what I might do, you guys let me know how you feel, is do these 2 over here, that falling bow confetti, and then these do one of the rows of the bow right here with the lines, and then 1 row that is these bows. The problem is that kind of sets me right back where I was as far as them messing up when foiling, but I do really love how these look put down. I am going to be filming a plan with me using one of these new kits. I'm gonna hope to get that done sometime this weekend, hopefully on Sunday. We still have the same washi, and then you have still got some boxes as well as some flags down here at the bottom. And then your last sheet, nothing changed here. So you've got a daily tracker, weekly tracker, your bow washi, your regular washi, date covers, and then you've got some flags as well as a couple of those arrows. So for this kit, you've got this really pretty floral foiling. So yeah, that is the autumn kit. I am in love. I think the colors are so pretty and soft. I think I will probably be using this kit for Thanksgiving week. I'd always prefer to use a kit that's more like this for Thanksgiving versus using one that is like what we did last week called Thankful. Although I don't know, maybe I'll use both and I'll use this a different week, but that is autumn. And then next I have got the Cozy collection, which you guys, oh, I love it. If you've been following me for a while, you'll know that like winter and actually Christmas kits are my actual favorites. My absolute favorite kits. So for this one up top, we have got this girl with her hot chocolate lounging in the blankets. We've got some stockings. This foil piece here says Frosty Mornings and Toasty Mugs. This one is a foiled snowflake. We've got the fireplace that's decorated that says Merry Christmas. This really cute tiered tray. This girl down here has her hot chocolate, and then a snowflake here, and then this foiling says hot cocoa and fuzzy socks, and then this really cute scene over here. And then I want to show you guys the bottom washi for this because I am so in love. Look at that. So we've got snowflake bottom washi, just kind of like snowflake flourishes. I cannot talk this morning. And then you've got your bow washi, your flags, and your date covers. I also really love the colors in this kit. I think it's super fun. The orange with the green and then the grays. So for your second sheet here, I believe in future winter kits, I'm going to be updating these to like a snowflake. For this particular one, I couldn't find what I wanted, so it's going to take me a while to search and really find what it is that I want. But you can see up top here, I did the snowflake flourishes in these boxes. Let's see if I can get a little bit closer, which I think is super cute. And then you've got your functional items here. And then your third sheet has got that falling bow confetti, and then you've got your foiling within your washi strips. I do think I might update this as well for future winter kits to have the falling snow. But again, that's something I'll need to design. And if you're in the Facebook group or if you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw I had a kit designed, one of these kits last night. That's why this is late. And when I went to reopen Silhouette after I had been working on it later that evening, Silhouette decided to delete my file. So it all had to be redone. So yeah, so this is Cozy and I am in love. And then I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the October bundle. So I don't have the color set here, and I don't have the micro kit here, which is part of the large bundle, but this is the base kit. So the options for these are small bundle, which is what I'm about to show. That is $15.95 and free shipping if you are in the US. The large bundle is $20.95. That would be the base kit plus the micro kit, also free shipping within the US. And then the colorway is a set of like 6 non-foiled sheets. I believe it's 6. You guys double check me on the website. And it is $18.50 in free shipping if you are in the US. I believe that is it. If you guys have any questions about that, you can ask me down below. Also though, I'm sorry, I've got the doorbell going off. The format on these has changed. I did update it to the all foil format, and now for this one, this is also updated to this newest format that I just showed. I think that's it. These are on Cratejoy, not on the website. There is a link from the website to Cratejoy, or there's a link down below. I will also link these in the Facebook group, and there is a link on Instagram as well. But yeah, so let me go ahead and show you. So if you don't want this spoiled for you, go ahead and click out of this video now. Like I said, there will be a sneak. But if you want to see the full kit, I'm going to go ahead and show that. So this is probably what I'm going to use in my planner this week, and I am so in love with it. Oh, the colors in this, I think it is so beautiful for fall. So I'm gonna get you guys kind of close because it is a little bit difficult to show this foiling on camera. So we do have a lot of the falling bow confetti within this kit because I thought it was just a really cute accent. And then we've got, you guys can see the foiling within the florals. It's kind of like a floral overlay. See if I can get this middle box. There we go, that's a little bit better. And then we've got it down here as well as over here. Just super, super pretty. I am just completely in love with these colors. I think they are so beautiful for fall. And I did a little bit different here as far as the boxes go. I kind of flipped it. Instead of doing the pattern with the solid, I did the solid with the pattern, I should say. I did pattern behind and then the solid around. And I love how this turned out. So your next sheet here, also these colors, you guys. Okay, so I want to show you because this is like the base foiling for these kits if I don't have something that's like seasonal to go in here or something that I think goes better. So we've got this heart that has the vines and then these florals, which was in the autumn kit. I believe it may have been in, oh no, just in autumn. So those are your boxes, and then you've got your functional deco. We did the florals in here because it goes really well with it, and yeah, I am just obsessed with this colorway. So I believe I am going to use this kit in my plan with me this week. I want to show everything kind of laid down in a spread since we do have a newer format. So your next sheet here has got your foiled headers, your washi, and then your boxes, and then your bottom washi. Oh, I love it so much. Your bottom washi has got, see if I can get that foiling to really show, your bow confetti over the florals, and I am in love. So, so pretty. It had been a minute since I had done a good floral kit. I felt like it was necessary. So yeah, that is the subscription bundle. This is only available through our subscription on Cratejoy, like I said, and it should be available by the time this video goes up. Signups will be. If you are already signed up, those will charge on, ooh, I believe the 11th is when they will charge. All of that information is over on the Cratejoy website though. So yeah, that is this week's new releases plus the sub bundle. I hope you guys love them. Let me know what you think about the new format in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye guys.